Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. If not, then you can start from today onwards. In today's video, we are going to talk how to be confident. Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I gained confidence, how I speak this language confidently without any fear. So, if I can do, you can do too, right? So, if you wanna know everything, then stay connected this video till the end. See, my friend, when I was a beginner, I was not different from you. I was also like you people. I wasn't able to express my ideas. I wasn't able to talk with anyone, even with my friends. I have very few friends because I wasn't good at talking. I believe I didn't have confidence, you know. And you won't believe when my relatives they used to come at my home, I used to hide myself because I didn't want to confront them just because I'm shy, just because of low confident. But once I started learning this language, once I started reading book and watching videos, then I learned how to be confident. Plus, I got one key thing, that is taking action. Yes, my friend, you heard me right. See, if you want to be confident in any areas of your life, just take action. See, someone has written one comment that I know everything, reading, writing, but I don't know speaking. And I feel fear. See, today you are feeling fear, but you won't believe, my friend, if you try to talk with someone today, your fear will be gone little bit. I promise you. So just start today. Just try it today. See, when I was a beginner and started talking with one person first day, my body was shaking. Things were not normal. I was getting so much nervous, though I was talking over the call. My body was sweating. Same thing might be happening with you, right? But it won't stay for a long time. It may happen for a few days. After that, you won't feel like that. You will feel confident. But if you don't take action today, this thing can prolong and you may face this problem for a long time. See, action is the thing that can kill our fear or our low confidence, right? So that is why take action. See, when I was a beginner in content creation, I wasn't able to speak in front of camera very confidently. So how did it improve? Because every single day I started recording my video, every single day I started facing the camera, every single day I read book, I talk to people. There is consistency. So in your case also, if you want to overcome of your low confidence, then start from today onwards. Start talking with someone. Don't care about your mistakes. Initially, no one cares that much. If you care so much nowadays and don't try to speak, you are going to be in the loss. No one is going to be in loss, okay? So understand the delicacy of the time and start from today onwards. Start speaking few sentences, start speaking whatever is in your head. Don't wait for the perfection. Whosoever is waiting for the perfection in future, I promise you they are going to regret. Okay? Because maybe perfection won't come and they may keep waiting. Another problem will arrive in their life, right? But let's try to do it today. Whatever you are willing to do. I mean, small task, everything we can't do, right? So, for something we have to wait and everything can't be done today, right? But we can just think like that. So, if we think, maybe we can do also. We can start, right? So, same thing goes with this language also. If you want to become a fluent speaker, just start from today onwards. What are you waiting for? Perfection? It will come on the way, maybe. Okay? See, No one is perfect in their initial day. Everyone has the same kind of problem, fear. They also get sweat, okay? But you see them that they are very perfect, but behind their perfection are their good work. If you see, then they have refined their self so much, or they have refined their work by taking action every single day. So now it's your high time to take action and become good at whatever you want to do. It's not only about English language, it's about anything in your life. Just like content creator, just like trying for the interview, your first interview might be very terrible, but if you give second one, it won't be that much, right? Third one, fourth one, you will start taking it little light way. But first one, you may get sweat, you may get a lot of problem while you're interview, right? So that is why if we take the action, like if you attain first interview, your fear will be gone. You will have a lot of ideas that how interview is taken and given, right? So for that reason, if you want to speak this language, I hope from today onwards you are going to start speaking. I hope you are not going to wait for a perfection. You are not going to wait for a good day or a perfect day or a lot of knowledge. It doesn't take a lot of knowledge to learn something. Just you can be a learner, right? You can be a beginner. There is nothing wrong to be a beginner. We are going to learn, and every single day we will learn, right? But many people, they don't want to say themselves that I'm a beginner. Not only in terms of learning this language, in any areas. They just want to know each and everything from the beginning of their work. It may be any job or anything. It should not be. We should try to be learner. Okay? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.